Hey everyone, it's Bob with Bob CNC and welcome to our troubleshooting series. Today we're going to be looking at the evolution series and want to show you what I mean when I say we need to tighten the set screws on the belt pulleys. So I'm going to use the evolution 3 here, and we're just going to use the y-axis. But if your power is plugged in and all your stepper motors are locked, USB's plugged in, and you can still slide it back and forth, it could be the fact that your stepper motor shaft is actually locked, but the belt pulley is rotating around it. So stepper motors have a D-shaped shaft, so it has a flat on one side. So you want to line up one of the set screws with that flat, and then you can just go ahead and tighten that set screw up. And then you'll want to move it to the other one, which is typically 90 degrees out, and go ahead and tighten that up. And then you'll see that now the shaft is locked. So let me show you this and get a close-up on this. So we'll go ahead and make sure that we line up the shaft and with the flat, and then we'll go ahead and tighten both sides. So you'll want to do that for the Y, and you'll also want to make sure that both the X1 and the X2 are also tight if they're moving around. So that's all I have for you for this video. Make sure that you watch the rest of our video series for troubleshooting. Thanks.